Hey there, welcome to my channel. My name is Jackie if you're new here. If you're not new here, welcome back. For today's video, I'm going to be dyeing my hair back dark. So if you want to see this video, please keep watching. A little disclaimer, I highly recommend you do not do your own hair if you do not have any experience or if you don't want to risk anything, because it can probably cost you more in the long run. Just a warning. These are the products that I will be using. As you can see, I have protein fillers here because I'm going to be doing a color correction before I slap these colors on, and you want to do that first so that your hair doesn't turn green or dull or any of that weird stuff. And I will be using 10 volume developer. I got all this from Sally's Beauty Supply. For my first process, I'm going to be mixing these two protein fillers together, and this is color red and brown. I'm using both bottles. The consistency is pretty liquidy, so I would be careful how you apply this or apply it over this thing because it gets messy. I applied this on wet hair and I started at the back. I also sectioned out my hair so that I get a more even application. Make sure you fully saturate your hair, and I also used a wide tooth comb so that I could comb it all in. And then I got something like this. Also, you might want to protect your neck. I didn't. Then I left it on for 20 minutes, rinsed, and this is what I got. And this is basically what I was aiming for, because now I can just apply my next color, which is dark intense brown 3NN and darkest brown 2N. I didn't use anything to measure this. I kind of just used the whole tube of each color, and then I used 10 developer. I kind of just eyed it until I got the right consistency, but just be careful, make sure you don't put too much, and make sure you use enough, just because you don't want it to be all clumpy. By the way, if you dye your hair a lot or change it often, I would suggest using a demi-permanent color, because this is permanent, but I don't plan on changing my hair. So I tried to blow dry my hair, but as you can see, it's still a little damp, which I thought was fine. And then I applied it the same way that I did the color correction. I sectioned my hair and started from the bottom and worked my way up. Then I left it on for 35 minutes. For the last 15 minutes, I just added what was left of my protein filler because it's supposed to make it more vibrant. Then I rinsed it. This is the final look, and oh my gosh, you guys, I can't even tell you how obsessed I am. I have not been obsessed with dark hair in a while, but I think this is here to stay because it just looks so good. It looks so healthy, and it came out really even, so I'm happy. I hope this helps you guys out. If you want to see more videos like this, please hit that like and subscribe button. Till next time, thank you guys for watching. Bye.